Alphabetical list of animals. A for alligator.
A for alligator.
B for baboon.
B for baboon.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for frog.
F for frog.
G for giraffe.
G for giraffe.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for ibex.
I for ibex.
J for jackal.
J for jackal.
K for kangaroo.
K for kangaroo.
L for loin.
L for loin.
M for markhor.
M for Markhor.
N for numbat.
N for Numbat.
O for ox.
O for ox.
P for polar bear.
P for polar bear.
Q for quokka.
Q for quokka.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for squirrel.
S for squirrel.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for Uakari.
U for Uakari.
V for vicuña.
V for vicuña.
W for wolf.
W for wolf.
X for xurus.
X for xurus.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.